Banks give you high credit limits automatically, step-by-step instructions. In this video, I'll cover key factors you should consider when requesting a credit limit increase. Having a good credit score is just one of them. Credit card issuers have set limits on how much they are willing to extend for each customer, so it's essential to understand their criteria. Some banks have restrictions on when you can apply for increases, like Capital One, which only allows requests every 6 months. Footnote: banks set credit limits based on your credit behavior and their internal policies. Demonstrating a need for increased credit. One critical factor for getting a credit limit increase is demonstrating a need for the additional credit. Just having a great credit score is not enough. If you're not using your credit card enough, the lender may wonder why you need more. Lenders want to see that you're actively using your card, as it's in their best interest to earn money through interchange transaction fees. Footnote: lenders look for active usage of credit, not just a good credit score. Understanding credit card usage, Transactors versus Revolvers. Lenders distinguish between two types of credit card users, Transactors and Revolvers. Transactors are low-risk customers who pay off their balance in full or keep it low. Revolvers carry a balance and incur interest, which makes them high-risk customers. To increase your credit limit, it's better to be a transactor, frequently using your card and paying it off, rather than revolving your balance. Footnote: being a transactor, paying off balances quickly, makes you a lower-risk customer, which is preferred by lenders. One tactic for credit limit increase. One tactic to encourage a credit limit increase is to charge your card up and then make multiple large payments within the same billing cycle. This shows that you're using the credit but paying it down quickly, signaling to the lender that you need a higher limit. Be mindful not to run up unnecessary debt just for the sake of a higher limit. Footnote: making multiple payments during the billing cycle can demonstrate credit usage and the need for a higher limit. Using high balance to your advantage. Your high balance on a credit report shows the maximum amount you've ever charged. Allowing a high balance to report once and paying it down the next month can showcase to lenders that you can handle high credit usage and still pay it off. This could strengthen your case when requesting a credit limit increase. Footnote: a reported high balance indicates your ability to use and repay credit, which lenders see as a positive factor. How high-spending credit card issuers think. Issuers like American Express give high limits to customers who are high spenders and pay their balance off. If you're a transactor, spending a lot and paying down quickly, that's the type of customer issuers want. They make money from transaction fees and prefer low-risk, high-volume customers. Footnote: credit card issuers reward high spenders who consistently pay down balances, as they generate more revenue from transaction fees. Why credit card usage is crucial for limit increases. To get a credit limit increase, consistent and frequent use of your credit card is essential. If you're not using your card much and ask for an increase, it may not always be successful. Show the lender that you're actively using the credit and paying it off, and your chances of receiving an increase improve significantly. Footnote: frequent use of your credit card, along with timely payments, signals to the issuer that you need more credit.